Hey everyone, in this video guys I'm going to be showing you how you can use VidIQ to design a YouTube thumbnail for absolutely free, okay? But guys, before we jump into the details, do not forget to hit that subscribe button to join the Solving Digital Nomads community. And without further ado, let's jump into the video. So as you can see here on the screen, this is the user interface of VidIQ. You can sign up using your Gmail account, okay? So once you did that, you're gonna write here, can you please design for me a YouTube thumbnail talking about how to teach people trading in pocket option. Then you click here. Then we're gonna wait for a few seconds until VidIQ will design for us a YouTube thumbnail for free, okay? As you can see, he's generating image, so we're gonna wait. As you can see, the image is generated. If you click here, you're gonna see the full image. Learn to trade, pocket option. You can click here to download the image. Double click here to see the image that you can use for your YouTube thumbnail. So, thank you guys for watching. Do not forget to hit that subscribe button to catch you next time on the Solving Digital Nomad channel. Thanks for watching.